This is going to be so good. Need to be quiet. Brains!
Huh? Brains?
Brains! Whoa! Oh! It's just me! You were so scared! Happy Halloween! Any room for a witch?
Come on in.
Yes!
If you let me in, I promise I'll be good. On you go.
Bless you.
This will be a great night. Well, what are you, a scary strawberry? Nope, you can't come in. That's so not fair. Steady, steady, look out! Are you okay? Look at this, my boss will be mad. Sorry, let me help. Oh hey, these nails could be useful. Can I have them? Sure. First, take some face paint. Then stick some tissue paper to it. Then cover it all with more face paint. Carefully cut a hole where your mouth is. Use some black face paint to color your lips. No scary costume would be complete without blood. Then gently push the nails through the tissue paper. And... a simple, scary costume. Time to go to the nightclub. Can I come in now? Hey, what did I tell you? No fruit allowed. Oh, how about now? Mommy! I guess I can go in.
Candy. Ooh, I haven't been to this house yet. Trick or treat!
Halloween is for kids. Okay, fine. Here you go. A nice, healthy treat.
A carrot? You're supposed to give me candy or chocolate. Something nice. Like this. Not vegetables. Ugh. Stupid lettuce. Take that. Huh. Have fun picking up this mess.
What's all the noise out here?
My yard!
I know how to teach him a lesson. First, I need some medical tape. Place it over your face. Leaving holes for your eyes. Place some tape-covered card over your eyes. Add some more to your forehead and lips, making sure there is a mouth hole. Color with face paint. Color the eyes and mouth with black face paint. Add some finishing touches and a terrifying scarecrow.
Ooh, wait a minute. Candy! Delicious, chewy candy! Wait. Nah, a few more bars. Enough! Trick or treat.
You forgot your candy.
This is so relaxing. A cute little pumpkin. What was that? Probably nothing. Hello? Who's there?
Got you. That was so funny.
That's not cool. Aha! I need a ball of Play-Doh. Shape it around my finger. Use some flesh-colored paint to blend it in. Carefully make a small cut in the Play-Doh. Add some fake blood. Haha! A horrible gory finger. Perfect. Time to work out. This is too easy.
Womp womp. Better watch out for monsters.
1001, 1002. Ah! My finger! Ah!
Your finger!
Oh, it's so sore. Help me, please.
Don't panic. I know first aid. Okay, I'm here to help. What the?
It's fake. Fooled you.
Now we're even. That's not funny. Drinks and chips are ready. I just need to put this somewhere. Where should this go? I know. I'll hang this ghost here. A tarantula on the wall. That's it. Let's party. The toilet isn't really spooky. Let's make it more scary. Phew! Done! Oh, hey guys! Thanks for coming!
Ooh, I drank this soda too fast. I need the toilet. Spooky bathroom. I really gotta pee. What the?
Oh, come on. My jeans and sneakers are all wet. What am I going to do?
Well, I suppose I need to wear something.
Great party! Oh my! What are you wearing?
I should have shaved my legs before I came out tonight.
Hey! I love this song! Let's party!
Bang, bang! Take that!
Happy Halloween, sweetie! Can you help me with these decorations?
Oh, yes, Mommy! I'd love to! Okay, Scary Skeleton, you go there. Mommy! These cobwebs are attacking me! Terrifying toilet paper! Yeah! A frightening face and balloons! Oh! Careful! Oops!
Oh, I got it, darling. Are you okay?
Finished, Mommy! Ta-da!
Oh, thank you, honey. Go play with your robot. I know what to do with this. Peel the skin from the watermelon. Carefully cut some grooves into it. Making sure you go all the way around. Put in a large bowl with some fake eyes and finally pour in some soda. And then you have a floating brain in a jar. Oh, honey. Want some brain juice?
Yummy, yummy!
Mmm. We hope you enjoyed this spooky video. Let us know in the comments what scary pranks you pull on your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for lots more fun videos just like this one.